launch Race 25. We're in conversation with Ms. Shubha Sharma from Cognifier AI. Thank you very much for joining us today.
To me.
Fantastic. So, Shubha, if I may pick your brain on how exactly are you driving tech innovation within Cognifier AI?
So since the beginning of my career, my career has been focused on risk strategy, compliance, regulatory compliance, and audits, like for the BFSI sector specifically. I've worked with management consulting firms and banks, and then I still work with a lot of banks as a consulting firm itself. I run my own consulting firm. We've brought out this product called Complifier.ai, which automates the whole regulatory compliance piece. So my selling point, we have actually made the tool available for free on Complifier.ai, and auditors can go ahead and compliance professionals can go ahead and try the tool for free there. Enterprise versions are also available. What it does, I should focus on that. So for senior auditors, I would say it's a 3-click audit process. You select the guideline you want to audit for. It will give you the list of evidences it requires. You feed those evidences, click on generate report, and your report is ready. Of course, it allows you to review and edit and do all of that along the way. For junior auditors, who have less than 8 years experience or so, who are still working on gathering an understanding of the regulatory landscape and context of the organization, so on, and putting it all together for audit purposes, it will help because it actually handholds you. Once you feed it the guideline, once you select the guideline, it will tell you exactly what the regulatory entity is supposed to do. It will help you understand how you're supposed to test that, what interview questions you're supposed to ask, what documentation will help you understand things. And when you ask those questions, you can actually feed the script to the system, and it will evaluate all of those evidences and help you understand the gaps and what should be done, what are the recommendations. And it will give you further questions to ask to probe more from the client. So it helps you have an intelligent discussion even in the beginning years of your career. And to the small scale firms who are actually into audit, it can help you scale your business without scaling your team. So that's our value proposition. And fingers crossed, I think AI is actually driving the way into innovation, and we are all in for big surprises in the years to come.
That's quite nice. And like you've stated, yes, AI is the next big revolution that we're seeing and how it's unfolding. My next question to you, what has your experience as Race 25 been?
It has been amazing, to say the least. One part of it was to meet a lot of really, really intelligent people. And another great part was to see how L&T Finance is leading the way in innovation. The products that I saw today, the really innovative technology that it is trying to build into the products, it's just amazing. I think it's leading the way in the industry, so to say. And the best part, which you should not have missed, was the dessert after lunch.
Well, that's right. After lunch, dessert is what everyone requires. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Brilliant talking to you.
Thank you for talking to me. Thank you.